drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. I hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new UNICE video, and you can find them on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below, but I was able to get my hands on this brand new wig that they have to offer, and I'm super excited because y'all just look at it. Okay, this is their new Burmese curly with finger coil ends. You guys can see those coils at the end. It kind of reminds me of when I'm defining my natural hair. I always like to kind of coil the very ends of my hair just to kind of make sure that the curls lock in. They decided to make a wig version of that kind of method, and y'all look at it. But anyways, this unit is a 7x5 inch bye-bye knots wig. The wig that I have is 24 inches long. Y'all can see how thick this unit is. Now y'all, this unit is 150% density. I swear it's like a 300% density. It's not heavy, but it's just so full and thick, and it kind of gives a very natural look, and I absolutely love that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this unit on to let you guys see exactly what this unit looks like. Of course, my hair would be in a blowout at this moment, so it's not braided up. I just decided to throw on a stocking cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw this wig on. You guys can just see how it comes together. Now, this unit is glueless, so you don't have to use any glue if you don't choose to. However, because my hair isn't braided up, I do kind of have a bit of a bump in the back, so it was causing the wig to kind of slip off. So with that being said, I will be using a little bit of my Eben lace glue, and I'm going to go ahead and melt this unit down, as well as I do kind of want a little bit of baby hair, so I will be pulling out some baby hairs as well. Okay, y'all, so this is what this wig is looking like. Y'all can see how thick this baby is. Like, she's a thick one. Again, she's not heavy at all. Super lightweight, just like any standard wig. This unit is only 150% density. But just the way that they created this unit, it looks so full, so thick, and I love how the curls coil at the ends. Now, if you decide to wash this unit, all you're going to have to do is take like a defining brush or a defining comb, apply a little bit of product. I would suggest a little bit of gel, and just coil the ends to recreate this look. Super simple, the same thing that we do with our natural hair. It's going to take a little bit of effort, but it's not too hard at all. So you guys, let me know what you guys think about this one. Y'all, I am absolutely loving her. It's always so nice to see kind of like a new creation in the wig game. Kind of gives us options, because everything has kind of been the same and repetitive. So this right here really threw me for a loop, and I absolutely love her. Now if you do want this unit to get huge, definitely go in and comb out this unit, getting rid of the coily ends, and it's going to grow like crazy. But I just kind of love how it looks defined and still full at the same time. But again, you guys do check out UNICE. They are available on Amazon Prime. I will leave all the details and links in the info section below. As usual, they do have their 5% off when you add the wig to your cart, so be sure to take advantage of that little bit of money off. It definitely makes a huge difference. Trust me. Trust me, it does. Y'all, once again, do let me know what you guys think about this one and whether or not you'll be picking this one up for yourself. I am in love, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.